Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Digimon story time stranger, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing, not loading or stuck on loading screen, black screen or white screen issue on Xbox console. So here are the fixes. The first fix include step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all 4 steps, you can check your problem is fixed or not. However, you can check your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here we go. Step 1. Make sure your Xbox is up to date. Go to Xbox setting, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2. Clear Digimon story time stranger cache files. Press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Digimon story time stranger game and highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Step 3. Clear persistent storage. Go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. If you do not see this option in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4. Clear alternate MAC address. Go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now after following all 4 steps, you can launch Digimon Story Time Stranger and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Remove and re-add account. Go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account in which you are having the issue, then select remove. Now re-add your account. After adding your account, launch Digimon Story Time Stranger game and see if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 3. Manually select port. Go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection and then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5. Continue. Restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check which one work for you. Fix 4. Run Digimon Story Time Stranger from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type Digimon Story Time Stranger in the search bar and click on it. Then click on launch game and check. Fix 5. Change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS. Save it, then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again repeat the process and this time in primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and save it. Then relaunch the game and check. Fix 6. Reinstall Digimon Story Time Stranger game. This is the last solution. If nothing seems to work, then last solution is to uninstall Digimon Story Time Stranger game from your Xbox console. Then fresh reinstall it. Now launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So these were some of the fixes that will help you to fix Digimon Story Time Stranger game crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading, stuck on loading screen, black screen issue or white screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.